The XOXO Lip Pigment Set. Dusty Rose, a soft, light pink with a neutral undertone. Cocoa Beans, a dark pink with a neutral undertone. Salted Caramel, a light red-brown with a warm undertone. Red Strawberry, a bright red with a warm undertone. Raspberry Tartlet, a red pink with a neutral undertone. Juicy Watermelon, a light red with a warm undertone. Old Castle, a dark red with a warm undertone. Pink Opal, a dark pink with a cool undertone. Tuscan Red, a dark red-brown with a warm undertone. Tempranillo Solid, a dark red-brown with a neutral undertone. For the watercolor technique, I use Dusty Rose. For the lipstick effect, I go with Tempranillo Solid. For watercolor, the speed setting will be 4.5. The strokes are sparse. In the watercolor technique, I'll work with counting, 3-count rhythm. Let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3, and move forward. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 in one spot, then move forward. Once this section is finished, we move further down, overlapping 50% of the pigmented area. We do the exact same thing on a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And keep moving forward. The strokes are loose, spaced out, and light. Make sure to keep your hand relaxed. Try to hold the machine at a 90-degree angle so that the dot stays a dot, not a comma. The needle protrusion should be set between 2.5 to 3 millimeters. For solid techniques, I am going to use Tempranillo Solid. A beautiful brownish pink shade, my favorite in this range. The speed setting will be between 5.0 and 5.5. Count to 6. The strokes must be tight. Count to 6. And move forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then move forward. Stay in one spot. Count to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And move forward. The needle protrusion is 2.5 to 3 millimeters. We lay the strokes tightly, yet we do it with high amplitude. So they are not short, about 1 centimeter long. The section is finished, move down. Now we move down while overlapping 70% of the previously colored area. This method helps us achieve a solid lipstick effect. The count is also to 6. We count to 6, stay in one spot, then move forward. Counting keeps you disciplined, so you don't jump between spots. These implantation techniques apply to every shade in the XOXO line. Let's start drawing the sketch. For this, we'll need brushes by Creator, Synthetic 20 and 21, and concealer. Any light, thick concealer. I'll start with the upper lip, namely at the Cupid's bow. I carefully place the brush on its edge in the center and shape it with very gentle, light movements. I round the peaks of the bow as much as I can, while I keep this inner angle straight. Let's move to the other side and do the same thing. Check symmetry. Let's begin the procedure. The first stage is setting the outline. We fixed the lower line and applied anesthesia, moving to the upper lip. We're starting the first pass. Moving to the second pass now. This will be our densest and the final pass.